Hi guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So this video is super special to me because this is going to be a 1 year anniversary of my channel. Like Ananya Goswami YouTube channel is going to complete 1 year. By the time you are seeing this video, it's already been 24th or maybe I'm going to complete it. So it's super special to me because एक साल के लिए मैं यूट्यूब कर रही हूँ विच इज़ सच अ बिग डील फॉर मी। यूट्यूब जिसमें मुझे कोई लिटरली फोर्स नहीं करता कि करना पड़ेगा, तो वो मैं एक साल के लिए कर रही हूँ विच इज़ रियली ग्रेट। सो yeah, I wanted to do something special for this YouTube video, and also it's going to be my 50th video. This video is my 50th video in my channel, which is also a really special thing, like special के ऊपर एक और special. So I've decided to keep this video super special, super close to my heart and super chill as well. So for that I'm doing a Q&A, like a get to know me tag. So I'll be getting into the video, but before that, if you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Half of you are watching my videos but not subscribed. YouTube is telling me that, so please subscribe so that our channel can grow more. And yeah, now let's get into the video. So there are going to be a lot of questions, but in kind of a random manner. So I did ask you guys in my Instagram to ask me questions related to me or YouTube. If you are not following me on Instagram, you can follow me there. I did a question answer sticker thing there, so I got a few questions, and some I have taken from Google to kind of give you a more like general form of a Q&A, get to know me tag. So let's get started with the first question. First question is, what's your name? And my name is Ananya Goswami, and that's the name of my channel. I couldn't come up with something else, so that's the name of my channel. And it's not like I didn't have any other name, that's why I kept it, but मुझे मेरा नाम ही रखना था. Next question is, what's your nickname? My nickname is Mimi, and everyone who knows me almost calls me Mimi, like the ones who know me personally, so they call me Mimi. Question is, where did you grow up and where do you currently live? So I grew up in West Bengal and I'm living in West Bengal. Question is, do you have pets? So yes, I have. I'm very much into animals. I have a Spitz, her name is Rosie, and I have 4 stray dogs and 2 cats in my home. Next thing is, what's my age? My age is 20 and my birthday is on 24th July. Next thing is, what's my star sign? So I'm born in July and my star sign is Leo. The next thing is, do you have siblings? Yes, I have. I have an elder sister and she is married. We have an age difference of 8 years. So yeah, I have an elder sister. So the next question is, what do I do? So I'm a student. I am studying Bachelor's of Business Administration and I'm in 3rd year, which is the final year. So that's about my educational background. The next one is, how many language do I speak? So I am a Bengali, so I can speak Bengali, I can speak Hindi, and I know English. And beach mein I was learning German, but I left that as well. So I can speak like tiny German things, like only a word or a few sentences here and there, but I'm not fluent. Thing is, what's your favorite fast food? My favorite fast food is momo and pani puri, fuchka. Fuchka I haven't had like for, yeah, it's going to be 2 years. I last had fuchka before, not like 2020 wala lockdown, that time I last had it, and after that I completely stopped having fuchkas outside. And momo is also my favorite. Like momo, I can go for it anytime. And for packaged food, I love Blue Lays. Like Blue Lays is my favorite. I can like stock them every time. This question is, PC or Mac, and Android or iOS? So it's PC, and for the phone it's iOS, but I love Android more. But the picture in here really comes out really well, so I can't deny that fact. But I think I would go back to Android, keeping this phone only for videos and pictures. Next question is, am I a morning person or a night person? I am a night person, but bachpan mein I used to be a morning person. Like I used to wake up at 4 or 5 a.m, but now I am definitely a night person. Next question is, have you moved from your home and how was your experience? I've never moved from my home. I was supposed to move this year, but I don't know what will be the case because of this corona situation, but I have never ever moved out of my home. Questions are related to YouTube. So the first question is, who was the first YouTuber I started watching? The first YouTuber I started watching, her channel name was Beautylicious Insider. I was in class 5 or 6, I don't remember, but yeah, that was my first YouTuber. So she used to say that please subscribe. I thought that subscribe was kind of like you have to give money and only then you can subscribe, so I never subscribed or anything. But yeah, she was like the favorite YouTuber I used to watch at that time. Now her channel name is changed. Her name is Chelsea, by the way. So yeah. And the next is, why did I create a channel or a YouTube video? Is because I created this channel in 2020, which was pura lockdown. So I was trying out, like I was experimenting with makeup in Instagram, but then I thought I don't know like how did I start, but then I thought to make a YouTube video out of it. I remembered like why did I create a YouTube channel is because you remember that pass the brush challenge we did it in Instagram. So for that video I thought I will be uploading it in YouTube as well, but that time I didn't have any idea, like not idea, but I didn't have that kind of a thing. Like I didn't even ask anyone because it was with friends, so I had to ask them before uploading it in YouTube. So I didn't put that one in YouTube, but तब से मेरे दिमाग में था कि मुझे YouTube भी खोलना है. And then I fixed my mind, and then I filmed the video and I edited it in my phone and I uploaded it in YouTube. Next question is, how did your parents react to your YouTube video or YouTube channel, and do they support you? So before like creating a video, I didn't ask my parents. I didn't like even take their permission that should I do a YouTube channel, because I think it's a very normal thing. Like मेरा Instagram पे भी account है. I didn't ask them before that. So I did show my parents after uploading the video, like, and yeah, they were really surprised that I am doing something for YouTube. So they were kind of surprised, and also I was speaking in that YouTube video, which like I'm very silent kind of person. I don't really speak that much, and I'm really awkward in speaking in front of my parents. So even now, even today, I shoot my videos alone. I can't speak in front of them. So that's the thing, like they were seeing me speaking and all, so they were kind of surprised. That's a happy kind of reaction. The next thing is, do they support me? Yes, they do. Like I don't find any reason for not to support me, because I'm in my college and I'm in my home because online classes and all. So I keep uploading like once a week. I'm not here like for whole the week because I honestly don't have that kind of time. I won't say time because I am doing my studies, so I have online classes. Both of them are really happy, but especially my father is really happy because he like continuously watches my video. Like after the day I upload it, after he comes from office, the first thing which he does is to watch my video. So he like when I was initially doing the beauty related content, he used to even show me like eyeshadow tutorials because he was watching my video. So he got recommended different other makeup videos as well. So he used to like show me those kind of videos as well. Both of them are like equally supportive. I won't say that they don't support me or they are angry at me or anything. They are not like that. For anything, they are not like that. Like they let me do anything. Like whatever I do, they let me do that. Hi guys, so I'm interrupting because I missed a very important point. Like मुझे उसको याद करके रखी थी, but yeah, बातों में I forgot about it. So after I uploaded the video, I showed it to my parents. They were kind of surprised and happy at the same time. But then I thought तो मतलब ऐसे देख कर रखने से तो होगा नहीं. I can't stay भगवान भरोसे. So I uploaded WhatsApp story first, like sharing the link, which I even do till date. Yeah, I shared the link, and after that, like my immediate reaction, I shared the link. Okay, it was there only in the WhatsApp status, and the immediate reaction was कि I'm gonna delete the video because no one like still saw the story. So मुझे लगा था कि अभी तक कोई देखा नहीं है. I'm gonna immediately delete the whole video. एक बार डिलीट कर दी तो मैं कभी नहीं डालती. YouTube चैनल क्रिएट ही नहीं होता. And if I wouldn't have controlled myself that day, I wouldn't have been making this Q&A today and completing 1 year. Even before starting a YouTube video, I had that only in my mind कि I don't want to regret anything. कि 10 साल बाद मुझे ये regret नहीं करना कि what if I started a YouTube channel, what if I had a YouTube channel. Yeah, that's the thing. Now keep on watching the rest of the video. How was your YouTube journey? I would say it's really great. Like if you watch my first YouTube video, my speaking style is used to be totally different. I have been more open and more confident, I feel, in front of camera. And one of my friends also actually asked that how do I speak in front of camera. So the answer to that is practice, because if you watch my previous video, I'll be attaching a clip, and I'll be attaching a clip of my recent video, so you can see the difference. Hello guys, I'm Ananya Goswami and welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So you can see the difference. So everything comes with practice. Like the more you say something, you'll become more good at it. Also, subscribers which I have, like 567, they are on my own. I've never like forced anybody कि subscribe कर दो या link share कर दो या मेरा channel को share करो, कुछ करो. मैं video में of course बोलती हूँ, but I've never like inboxed anyone or anything of that sort ki watch my video or do it or do that or do these kind of things. So that's the thing. Even my mom dad used to say like initially ki whether they are gonna tell their friends to subscribe or not, कि मैं अपना friends को बोलती हूँ subscribe कर देने के लिए. At that time I had like around 100 or so subscribers, but I didn't, like I told them not to, because I wanted to grow on my own. I want people to subscribe because they like watching me and not because they are forced into something or just for a formality kind of thing. I don't want that. Question is my favorite YouTuber, and my Indian YouTuber, of course. My favorite YouTuber has to be Mridul Sharma, because I love her so much, and like she is such a good person and so grounded, and she's super aesthetic, and I don't even miss a single video of her because I love it and I genuinely like connect to her. Next question is, where do you want to see yourself in YouTube 5 years down the line? I don't want to plan. Honestly, I don't want to plan because plan के according कुछ काम करता नहीं है. Doing YouTube, obviously I want to reach a good number and have a really good audience. But yeah, if I'm not doing YouTube, maybe I want to see myself successful doing a job, and yeah, like anything I do, I want to be successful and I want to be totally independent on my own. And yeah, that's my general idea 5 years down the line. A few general questions, which are, how old were you when you realized that Santa wasn't real? These are going to be all random, okay? So I think I was in class 7. I'm a really late kind of thing, that I understand things very late. At that time I understood that there is no Santa. My parents are kind of fooling me. So yeah, like I'm a strict believer of Santa, that Santa is real. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि मेरी मम्मी पापा दे रही है. Santa is totally real, and if you like don't believe it, then Santa wouldn't give you gifts anymore. So that's how I was really dedicated into believing that Santa Claus is real, and I got to know about it in my school only. In a book there was kind of a composition, and I don't know like why would a teacher do that, but it was kind of a comprehension reading, and in that passage it was written that Santa wasn't real. So that's how I came to know about it. Next is, am I an extrovert or an introvert? Also, maybe the lighting is kind of dim now because it's evening. Anyways, so let me finish this real fast. So are you an extrovert or an introvert? I would say I'm a introvert, and I'm a selectively extrovert. Like if I know you, I'm really extrovert. I will talk like non-stop, but if I don't really connect with you or if I don't really know you, I take my sweet time opening up. Next is coffee or tea. Tea, like totally tea. Like जो लोग मुझे जानता है वो लोग को पता है कि मुझे चाय पीना कितना पसंद है. Like I'm totally a chai person, so tea anytime. Next is sweet or spicy. तो मेरा वो अपना रूल है. Like I love eating sweet things, but every time I eat sweet, I have to eat spicy after that. Like मेरा मुँह मीठा पसंद नहीं है, तो I have to eat something spicy as well. Question is, what drains your energy? I would say being with the wrong person. It really makes me like super tired. Like yeah, I don't really want to be with wrong person or wrong set of friends that I don't really want myself to be associated with. I don't really speak that much because I feel it's really kind of awkward also, and because it doesn't make any sense for me to be friends with someone who I don't want to be friends with. The question is, do you have any kind of phobia? So पहले पूछते तो I would say that no, I don't have any kind of phobia, but recently I got to know that I have social phobia or social anxiety, you may call anything, because like to meet like new people and to be around like a gathering and everything really gives me anxiety. I discovered it like quite recently, but yeah, I understood that I have social anxiety. Most used apps, so I'm a big consumer of YouTube, so my most used app has to be YouTube, and then I guess Instagram. Yeah, totally forgot, but few of my friends actually asked that when is the moving vlog coming or when are the new home tour coming. Speaking about the home tour, I don't really know that when it's gonna come up, because अभी तो हम लोग शिफ्ट ही नहीं हुए, तो शिफ्ट होने के बाद we have to set it up and then maybe I'll do a home tour. रूम टूर तो करूँगी, पर होम टूर का इतना भी श्योर नहीं हूँ, पर या मे बी इफ़ आई डू आई you'll have to really wait for it. But the moving vlog should come out by next month. Like the part 1 is already short, I have to do the edit, but it's short, so the first part maybe should come up by this month or the next month starting, but the full moving vlog should come up like after this month, like the next month. What tops your bucket list? So ऐसा तो कुछ मतलब I really do want a lot of different activities, nothing really tops, but I do want to do different kind of like adventurous stuffs like bungee jumping, फिर बाली का वो स्विंग, फिर आई वॉन्ट टू ट्रैवल डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, सो दैट्स द थिंग. I want to do different kind of activities, but nothing really like tops the list. This is how old were you when you learned to ride a bike? Maybe both bike and car, I both learned to ride it around 17, and I got like the license and everything at 18. So the next thing is, what was your first cooking experience? So cook तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, क्योंकि my first thing which I ever made in a kitchen is tea. So that was kind of also kitchen experience. Like I'm doing it under the cooking experience. It's kind of a cooking experience, but आप लोग बोलोगे कि चाय बनाना cooking नहीं होता. So yeah, for that only I'm saying, but that's a really funny story. So मुझे first चाय बनाने को मिला था, like I wanted to make tea, and my mom and my elder sister said that okay, like make tea for us. So we have milk tea, and what I did is I put milk and everything, but I added green tea, like the green tea wala tea, I added it in the milk tea, and yeah, so that was kind of a funny story, and it tasted super bad. Like imagine green tea in milk tea, so that's how it tastes. It tasted really bad, and after that I learned to make tea, and now I literally make the best tea in my home. So that was my funny cooking story. This is it for today's video. I hope you loved this video, and if you find this video helpful, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I did plan to make a lot of other questions as well, but it's getting dark. I don't want to continue this because it's already a long video. But yeah, if you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I hope you stay with me and be a part of my 2nd year anniversary as well. And yeah, and I hope to keep you forever with me if I continue this journey, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and stay happy. Bye.